Congress is on a 2-week recess, but the impeachment investigation into President Trump continues. The House Intelligence Committee will return to the Hill this week, where they will hear testimony from witnesses related to the whistleblower complaint. The market really seems to be taking impeachment in stride, despite the fact that President Trump has said the markets will crash if he's impeached.
It really is remarkable to see this type of resilience from the market. The market is saying that there will be no impeachment. That's what the market read through here is. But I think you really have to be concerned what this means in regards to Chinese trade. I can't see a deal getting done under these circumstances.
Do you agree that that's what the market is saying, there's no impeachment? Or is the market saying, actually, maybe if the president's impeached, it could be good for trade? Maybe it's not a risk-on, risk-off situation here that we're dealing with, and let's just sit tight, and either way, we're going to be okay because the fundamentals that are holding us up are fine.
Jen, I've followed markets for 25 years, and let me tell you, for all the talk about politics, the market does not care about politics. It cares about profits. And the profit cycle still seems robust enough that the market is not taking fright. But if there is an economic slowdown, on the back of all these developments, and there is a profit slowdown, that I think the markets will pay attention to.
So we would have to have a profit slowdown as well as the impeachment happening. And the profit slowdown is what would be important.
I think so.
But doesn't the profit slowdown only accelerate if there is no China trade deal because of headlines like this?
Again, I think that there's a profit slowdown coming no matter what. I think that, this sort of creates a distraction. Already economic activity all over the world is decelerating. And we actually pulled forward demand because of the 2016 tax stimulus, et cetera. And I think the day of reckoning is always going to come upon us. So the fact that, these two developments occur coincidentally, might feed off each other. But I think that the markets pay far more attention to what's happening to the corporate profit cycle as opposed to the political cycle.
And it's hard to believe, but we will be in earnings season.
No,
before
I can't
you know
take
it. And then we'll be dealing with all of this.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.